Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Another split bumper here. It's a 1971 full Pro Touring setup. This has got a Bill Mitchell 454 in it. It's a small block motor. It's 640 horsepower. Runs nice and cool. Runs at like 160, 170 degrees all day long. Tremic 5-speed. 12-bolt rear with 456 gears. It's got USMAG wheels all the way around. And side pipes that just sound killer. This is Bill Mitchell's personal motor in this car. Got Wilwood brakes all the way around. Beautiful, super straight body. Looks like Cortez silver. It's like a 4-inch cowl hood on here. Maybe 3. Hot shin suspension. It's got boxed subframe connectors. Digitail lights, so they're LED sequential tail lights with a beautiful billet bezel. It's got old school style traction bars, like from back in the Motion days. Don't see those anymore. Wilwood's in the back as well. And look at the body lines on this thing. Just perfect. Doors don't stick out on the bottom at all. Custom stereo. 6x9s in the tray back there. Wait till you hear this thing. It is pure evil. Custom leather seats. These look like actually Camaro seats, like in the 90s. Billet steering wheel, leather wrapped. Custom door panels. Also has power windows. 11,684 miles on the build on this car. Custom stereo. Again, Tremic 5-speed. There's your power window switches. Alcantara headliner. Full autometer gauges. And this is where the magic happens. Bill Mitchell personal 454. It's hardcore series. It's actually a small block, 640 horsepower. And you got the hardcore aluminum heads. The gentleman that owns this car actually was a very good friend of Bill Mitchell. Slim K&N air filter. MSD ignition, it's a 6+. MSD distributor. Stainless headers. Nice big aluminum radiator, electric fan. Optimum battery. The billet hold down. You got billet hinges here that actually stay up. Wilwood master. Set up on a serpentine system, as you can see. Power steering, Flaming River steering box. It's got a Dominator 1000 on it. Dual feed. This thing needs a lot of fuel. Monster sway bar up front, you can see that. And it's got a Hotchkiss suspension. Front and rear sway bar. It's a 12-bolt Posi back here. Yeah, this car really hooks up nice. There's a fuel cell in the trunk as well. There's a 15 gallon fuel cell. Here's the fuel pump. have this one here. Pro Touring setup. Paint is unreal on this car. A little over 100,000 invested in this one. Available also if you want to make a package deal. 72. We got a 70, 71, and 72. Complete your collection beautifully. Can't get over the sound on this car, man. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures and information on our websites, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.